Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, other vlog na naman tayo guys. So ngayon magpipick up tayo ni RJ sa school. Ay vlog adi. Pick up tayo ni RJ sa school dahil time to back home. So we're going to grocery to direct to the grocery after pick up RJ.
Here we are driving.
Here you go.
Driving with license first time. Parking right here.
We're parking in here. Pick up RJ. Tara! Okay, let's wait to RJ guys.
Okay.
Hi guys, we here waiting guys. Still waiting. But the preschool is already out. RJ not yet out. There you go guys, the lineup is so long. Double line now here. Because almost out. From there and here the line. And there's the bell. Comes RJ, the blue shirt. It's coming, RJ.
Hello.
I get to the house, then I get in the car, okay?
Okay, good.
Right.
Okay. Okay guys, RJ not want to ride, so you want to walk. And we pick up there in the house. We go to grocery. So we waiting for now ko sa lot of cars here parking in the front of the car. Okay guys, we here now in the house. And we going to grocery store now. There's RJ, get the package. A package arrive, RJ. There guys. We here now in the front of the house. There he is. The view in the mountain. In there. Look like hazy. And there is the front yard. It's yellow the grass. There is. You want rice? You want to eat fries? Guys, we here now in the Smiths, guys. We here on RJ. What?
This is our list.
What's your list for your cake? Here is the parking lot. It's so big. Whoa, a pumpkin now there, RJ. Pumpkin. RJ. And here is get the you wipe this kasi yun na aja.
Blah.
Inside the store. Look at this Halloween candies, RJ. Have a lot. Almost Halloween, so that's why they display this candy. And RJ want Hot Wheels.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me.
That's your cake you want? Huh? My God, it's so big for Project RJ in school. Making a Utah State map.
You're gonna have to help him carry this in.
Eyes, RJ. My goodness. That is $23.99.
So we need a 9 by 13.
Yep, 9 by 13. There we go, the grocery. Guys, we done shopping, grocery shopping. We're here now in the parking lot. I have no key with me.
I put all the stuff in.
Yeah, I yelled at you yesterday. Put the chairs on.
Are these chairs in there for me?
See what I
Are
do?
there chairs in there?
Oh, we're gonna have to wait.
No, we put it back. Wait, what long time?
Hey,
I said I'll put it.
see, go for it, RJ.
Why's the cake?
Make a spot in the water.
There's the coolest spot in the park.
The water always goes first. That's a spot.
What is it? Bacon?
Hey, more, RJ.